Absolutely wonderful to see so many people. I'm very overwhelmed and touched that I get to see so many of my Tibetan brothers and sisters all over the world. It gives me a lot of hope. Is it okay if I speak in English? So we're a little behind schedule, so I'm not going to talk a lot right now. But I'm super excited to be here. To all friends of Tibet, Reverend Bill Cruz, and all the council members from DY area, thank you so much. For all the love and support that you've extended towards my people and my cause. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Let's see how loud. All right, I needed that. I was kind of feeling a little down, and because of exhaustion, and I've been traveling, so I need a little bit of energy to feed off of you. So thank you so much. I am accompanied by my producer, Dorji Dewatsang, who is also the author of the book, Flight at the Cuckoo's Behest. And this movie is through his father's eyes, Kunga Samten Dewatsang. And him and I will be here to take pictures with you later, to talk to you, and then we'll probably try and sneak in a quick question and answers. And to all my Tibetan brothers and sisters, Inji, go to the Okay, all the non-Tibetans, you have to pardon me for 2 minutes. I'm going to speak to my people in my language. So, 먼저 별이쁘다 상말로라 인 각반에 투지체 전한스 망고 타린 분레레 지게 롱갈라 깔레 요레 레가 요레 부고 요레 사사 요레 깡에 망고 요레 네 전한스 망고치 들이 깡주데 뒤졌는데 대패버들라 나다 얘기다 나저기 롱얘기 루카게 미망 아주 미창마게 잡주제 인 각반에 투지체 지난 먼저 럭충하던 저또 마음과 벽이 선자 본종만에 타네 본종에다 또 본종을 샘축 발휘하다 보란절로 로게게야 이게 베스는 먼저 겜바쪽에 가르치고도 이 인지민지 캐나도 정말 나로나 지나로나 그치 먼저 멤버 뺑 영유래 전부 치러줘야 그치 정말로 찍대 Most importantly, all you young fellows here, all you young Tibetans, my dear brothers and sisters, you are capable of incredible things. You are capable of becoming anyone you can. Okay, so please dream. I always insist and I emphasize we Tibetans desperately need dreamers. So all you young Tibetans, please, I want you all to dream. Dream big, aim big, work hard, chase excellence, be focused. And then protect your dreams. Please protect your dreams. If you protect your dreams, I promise you, your dream will guide you. And on behalf of my entire team, I feel very proud and honored and humbled to be in front of you guys in Sydney, Australia. And I'm here super excited to talk to you all later. But in the meantime, please enjoy this film. This is your film. 일롱이 디케란 사막이르다. 캄바 암도 우상 사막이르다. So please enjoy your film, Four Rivers, Six Ranges, Chuchi Kongru. Thank you.